Hi, welcome to the Craft Channel. My name's Corinne Brad and I've got a nice project for you today, which is a folding money card. It's very simple. At the very least, you just need one piece of double-sided paper. About A4 size is fine. And you can create a card that is like this. You can open it up, you can pop your money inside the two pockets in the middle. You can pop sentiments in here, and there's also a pocket on the back. It's folded from one sheet of paper. If you haven't got double-sided paper, you can do it from single-sided paper and just put inserts in the inside so you haven't got plain white. And your card will come down to 1/8 of the size of your original card. So this was folded from a piece of A3 and it has come down to A5 now. These were folded from A4, so they've come down to A6. Have I got that right? Yes, I've got that right. No, that's maybe even A7. I'll come back to you on that one. Anyway, start off with it. And this is one of those demonstrations that I can never remember how you do it until I start doing it. First of all, you just want to fold in a very small amount on each short edge. And the easiest way to do this, especially if you haven't got a scoring board, is just put a ruler up against it. Oh, and fold it in. And try and make those folds as square as possible, because it will have an impact on your finished card. And I'm just running down the side of the ruler with my fingernail, thumbnail even, like so. Take your card and bring the folded edge up to the other folded edge. As closely as possible, and just crease here. Open it out and then bring these folded edges up to about, what, 1.5 centimetres away from the middle. Let's just put that down there so you can see what I'm doing. And fold again, because this central bit will create this central bit here. Bring the other one up by about the same amount. And again, open them out. So it's divided into 4 pieces, these pieces being slightly larger than these. And then you need to bring your corners up to this fold line. Do that on each side. Before folding them in. Now what you'd think now is you just fold it in half with the pockets on the outside. Before you do that, flip it over, and on one of these edges that doesn't have a fold, just bring your ruler and tip down just slightly more than 1 centimetre. Again, if you've got a scoreboard, it would make life easier. But if you haven't, you can do it simply with a ruler to just fold that down. And what you'll see is you've got 2 tiny, almost photo corners appearing at the top. Measure how big this is now. This is just about 19. So I'm just going to set it so I've got a score line in the middle. And while it's still pocket side down, bend these up over your ruler and tuck those corners into these little almost photo holder corners. And once they're in there properly, that's when you want to give that a good crease, like so. And your best bet is to fold it so the photo corners on the outside. If you fold it with the photo corners on the inside, you'll find that that centre page will start to buckle because it's got slightly less room because it's being held by the photo corners. And there you've got your simple money card with your pockets inside and out. So you can just slip your money into it. And you can decorate it however you like. I've used a range of stamps from Crafty Devils called Gypsy Meadows, which are quite nice wildlife stamps. I'm just going to give you a couple of quick tips on stamping if you've never done it before. Get yourself a clean piece of card on a flat surface. And these are self-cling stamps, so they simply peel away from the carrier sheet that they're on onto an acrylic block. You don't have to push them down hard. You use a good quality ink, and rather than put your stamp to the ink, put your ink to the stamp and just apply it like this. Don't be tempted to rub it in because you only need ink on the very top part of that design. Just use my fingertips and then wipe it on my jeans to get rid of those bits of ink. And then it doesn't matter where you position this because I'm going to cut this out in a cut it out in a minute. Just to hold your stamp above where you want to print, lay it down and just apply pressure without smudging it for a nice clean print. And then you can just colour this in with alcohol markers or paint pens. I've just nicked my daughter's set of... and then once you've coloured him in, roughly cut him out. So you've got your little design. And then you can just pop him on. To the cover of your book. And as I say, you can pop, it's not very colour coordinated, I know. These are with the papers that actually coordinate with the stamps. Just another way of presenting a gift. If you're posting something to somebody or you've got someone who just has everything and you don't know what to give them, something like that, it shows that you have put a bit of thought into giving them money because you've made a little folder to display it in, and then it's something that they can keep for just putting ephemera in and photographs afterwards. So as I say, just remember that your card will come down to 1/8 of the size of the sheet that you start with. So if you divided your sheet in 8, it would be that size. Hope you enjoyed that. I hope you'll get creating them soon. Have a look at the stamps in the Crafty Devils Gypsy Meadows range because they are really quite cute. And enjoy your crafting. Thanks for watching. If you've been inspired to create, please share your makes with us in the comments section below. And if you've enjoyed videos by the Crafts channel, hit the like button. Want to see more of us? Then click subscribe. See you next time.